work, for every event. So, kaya 'di ba parang may tagline kami na every beanie, you can be every beanie. Yeah.
Yeah, kayo. What she said.
What she said.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, I also would like to add another thing. Is kasi with makeup, 'di ba, it makes you feel happy for those who love wearing confident. And also, if napapansin niyo yung mga packaging namin, we really want it na pag nakita niyo parang yeah, it's very beanie, and then parang it's something that's eye candy that makes you happy then. So, yeah, we hope you guys love the packaging.
Cherry on top.
Yes, this one, it's so cute.
Alright, thank you so much, girls. Oh, ngayon, Blooms, alam niyo na kung bakit naiiba at unique ang kanilang product. Kaya naman, ano pang iniintay nyo? Go ahead, pre-order and wait for your products to arrive. Ayan! By the way, to my lovely girls, I have here some set of questions from your fans. So, is it okay? Ayan, tatanong ko to sa inyo. Ngayon, from James Henrich sa Facebook. Hello, Beanie! What's your favorite shade of lipstick or lip tint in the Beanie Cosmetics line? And what is your recommended Beanie Cosmetics products personally for you guys?
Me? This is mine. Yeah, okay. Feeling ko sa tawag ito. Pop, my favorite shade is either Haru or Sasha. And feeling ko, kung first time mong bibili ng Beanie Cosmetics and parang gusto mo, isa palang bilhin mo, you know, for starters, you can start with this, with the Pout Pop. It's very universal. No, it has a lot of shades when I go pagpipilian, and the quality is really good. We assure you. Proven and tested. Yeah.
Ako, siguro, yung shade na Tasha and Mardy. Bias ako dito sa dalawa kasi parang feeling ko pwede siyang combo. So, yung Tasha kasi medyo dark siya. Ibababa ko saan? Yung Tasha, dark siya. So, pwede mo siyang gamitin sa inner lip. Tapos ito sa outer. Ayun. This is my bias shade. Yun.
Okay, now up next.
Mine naman, I love the shade Nini. Kasi, well, aside that, I'm the one who chose the shade, but it's really a shade that I love. And I like to pair it with the clear gloss. I love this clear gloss kasi whatever you shade, you will put on, you can just top it up with this, and then, you know, it gives that pop effect. And that's what I'm using right now, actually. I'm using Nini and this clear gloss named Tangy. Yan.
So beautiful.
Ako naman, sa Pout Pop, of course, my shade, si Juyon. Ito very pink. Siguro, siya, intimidating siya kasi pag sa package, parang very pink. Pero pag nilagay mo naman siya, hindi siya masyadong, it's very fresh lang, very cute. And I would also recommend the cherry blushes. My favorite one is the A. Of course, nasa side na naman siya ng pinks. Kasi I love pinks. I love fresh looks. So, I recommend this A. Or if you want na very coral lang, or gusto mo lang hindi fresh, or gusto mo na, ano ba? I mean, gusto mo lang ng ibang shade naman, you can do toot, or A. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Naku, ang cute talaga ng kanilang mga sagot. Right, Blooms? Ayan ako. As per checking sa comments natin, ang dami talaga nagbibigay love sa inyo. Let's make some cheers to that. Naku, nakakatuwa ang ating Blooms. Ayan. So, grabe tonight. Grabe ang pagiging sold out ng ating bundles. Kaya naman, please do go ahead pa rin and check your yellow basket. Meron pang 5 products there from Beanie Cosmetics. And don't forget to, of course, add to cart and check out. Ayan. So, to my Beanie girls right here, meron pang isang katanungan para sa inyo. Now, from Princess May Keniza from Facebook, cruelty-free products po ba ang Beanie Cosmetics?
Yes. Especially na kami may mga pets, so of course.
Okay, ayan. So, Blooms, here is your reassurance na cruelty-free ang products ng Beanie Cosmetics. Okay? So, up next, eto na. Medyo paborito ko yung tanong na to, especially for you girls. So, How did it feel when you first saw the final product? By At Films.
First saw the
We were super excited. Kailan po yung parang unang nagka-meeting kami here, April, and then parang meron ng tawag dito? Anong tawag sa hindi pa final pero meron ng itsura?
sample.
Parang may sample na prototypes, ganyan. And we were so excited about it kasi parang, oh my gosh, totoo pala talaga to. Akala ko nagkitrip-trip lang tayo. Pero we were super happy and talagang dahil nasusunod ngayon gusto talaga namin, mga suggestions namin. So mas nagustuhan namin siya. And it's very sentimental and it's very personalized. Yeah.
Nakakatawa dito si Coletto. With the ringing bell there. Ayan. Thank you so much, Sheena, for answering that. So, ayan. Mas talaga nakikilala natin ang ating lovely Beanie Girls right here na they really created this product because of sentimental values. O, diba? At ngayon naman, huling katanungan para sa inyo, girls. Okay. So, affordable din po ba ang prices by at AU?
It is extreme. It is affordable, so that's also what we considered kasi, you know, we want yung mga students din makabili. So, yeah.
Okay. So, to my dear Blooms, affordable to. And I do believe this is also student-friendly, no? Yung college budget. Yes.
Student friendly and everything is friendly. Even the shades are friendly. You can make friends with them. If you don't have friends, just make this your friend.
It's all under 500 pesos.
Yes, all under 500 pesos.
Kaya pag-ipunan ng mga student.
Parang isa ako dun Okay. So, ito naman. I actually like this question para sa inyo. So, what advice would you give to someone who's shy or is a beginner in wearing makeup? Lalo na yung mga hindi ma-makeup pero gusto nilang subukan. Anong advice nyo sa kanila?
Mga beginner. Siguro, first thing, huwag kayo matakot mag-explore kasi doon mo malalaman yung mga paano talaga siya gamitin. Ganon. Huwag kayo matakot kasi may erase na may makeup. Ayun, ano pa ba? Start with the basics. Marami namang pwedeng ma-watch tutorials, ganon. So, matutulungan kayo nun.
Okay, so now you know, Blooms, ayan. So wag kayo mahihiya to try if ever man wala kayong experience sa paglalagay ng makeup because our Beanie Girls right here created the Beanie Cosmetics that are friendly for beginners, right, girls? O, diba? Okay, so thank you so much to my beautiful Beanie Girls. You guys may now kindly take your seats. At ngayon naman, iimbitan ko na ang other set of Beanie Girls. Palakpakan naman natin sila, everybody! Eto na. So we have your other Beanie Girls. Okay. Okay, ayan. So girls, ayan. So now that we're here, your other fellow Beanie Girls, na-try na lang iba niyong produkto. So baka naman meron kayong personally favorite ninyo para we can show it off to our Blooms right here. Ayan. Go ahead. Take your pick.
I'll start with the cherry blush. I love this blush because very very talagang makikita mo yung pagka pink or pagka red ng blush once na ginamit mo siya, and pwede mo siyang dalhin anywhere, 'di ba? So parang lagay mo lang sa pocket mo or kapag mahilig kayo sa mga maliliit na bag, kasyang-kasya siya. On the go talaga siya. And so, wait. So ayun, this is my favorite. Lahat ng shade favorite ko.
Ganun ba yun?
Okay, ikaw.
Ako, I have my top 3 sa sa lipstick. Ako, ang gamit ko ngayon is yung Nini. Pero trinay ko kanina yung Sinta and Haru. So these are my top 3. Fave. Yeah. Iba yung boses ko, no?
Nako, face value pa rin, love. Ano ka ba?
Yes.
How about you? Ayan,
Okay,
Mika.
my turn. Pwede na ba pag-usapan yung sa eyeshadow?
Yes, of course.
Oh, okay. Asan po si? Yeah, I think... No. No. Sorry. Pero sa lips,
No worries, go
favorite
ahead,
ko rin
okay.
yung Haru and Mardi. Kasi parang minix ko siya. sa lips. And then I use this one, this lip gloss. This is called Padaba. Padaba. Yung may glitter.
So, you use this one, no, to mix sa yung...
Yeah,
is
parang
this a lip
topper.
liner or a topper?
Topper po.
Topper, ayan. So, blooms, tingnan nyo, oh. So, it's very shimmery, shiny. Ayan, ako, glossy talaga siya. So, perfect to pang patong. So, I do believe this is also moisturizing, no, sa lips.
Yes, very. And it's not like,
Ayan.
it's not sticky. Ayun yung pet peeve ko when it comes to lip glosses. Dapat di siya sticky kasi parang pag nagsasalita ka, nakikita na dumidikit. May mga ibang ganun eh. Yeah. And then yung shade, ayun, suot ko rin yung blush nila. Sorry. The blush.
Ayan, suot ko na yung mga blush nila.
And ang galing kasi pinatong ko siya. Kinabahan ako na ipatong dito sa base ko kasi naka-powder na. Pero it worked. It worked. Parang ginanon ko muna. Ay tap here and then tap. Yeah. And then ayun na nga, ito yung alin kaya? Here. This shade is Jana. This one. That's what I'm using. I don't know if
it looks
kita
so
pa
great
siya.
on you. Oo, diba? Longevity nga, like what it
para siyang
stated.
Very iridescent.
Okay, ayan. So while you guys are watching the products, ayan na, so blooms! Eto na, nasa exciting part na naman tayo, okay? So right now, our milestone na kailangan nating i-reach ay 9 million viewers! Okay! And of course, likes as well. Eto na. So, once again, we will be giving away ang 1599 bundle of items natin for only 8 pesos. Okay? So, right now, we will be aiming for that. We will be aiming for it. Upon seeing it ngayon, ayan na! We have reached 9 million likes! Okay, and with that being said, sino kaya ang ating lucky buyer for our flash dealer right now? Nako, girls, as you can see, talagang all of them inaabangan talaga ang Bini Cosmetics. Okay? So, nako, since sobrang bilis talaga ng ating blooms right here, we will now be opting to reach 10 million likes! Ayan, ako. Eto na. In 3, 2, 1, go ahead! Flash deal finally open! So, eto na, we are counting down right now. Mas marami pa ang ating likes. Nako! You know what, girls? Can I just say, mapupunta talaga tayo sa congratulations dito. As you can see, we're going up from 9.6 million likes to further more likes. Ayan, 9.7 na. Eto na, I think papalapit na tayo doon. Okay? Eto na tayo, 9.8 na, girls. 2 more. We're about to achieve that milestone sa gabing to. 9.9 million, girls! O, diba? And 10 million viewers likes! Okay. So right now, ngayon, to my Bini girls, ano naman yung nararamdaman nyo ngayon sa iyong mga products na talaga namang tinan nyo? Sumusold out tayo by our blooms.
Thank you so much, Blooms, for always supporting us. Thank you dahil sinusupport niyo tong business namin. Yes. And for sure, magagamit niyo talaga to kapag sa concerts, kapag papasok kayo sa school, kung gusto niyo mag-glitter sa mata, o go. Kung gusto niyo mag-cherry blush, go. Bagay na bagay siya anywhere.
Ayan, there we have it. Ngayon, speaking of yung ating eyeshadows dito, ano bang mararecommend nyo, lalo na sa ating students especially, kasi for sure yung kanilang lamay everyday simple makeup look lang, no? So ano bang perfect eyeshadow or even a tint or gloss for them na mararecommend nyo?
for me, in my opinion, ang may recommend kong, for the eyeshadow muna, may recommend ko po is yung Honey Butter. Kasi very neutral lang yung shades niya. May brown, may ano ba to? Beige ba to? Hirap tignan. Ayan. Parang medyo lang siya. Clean girl look. Ganon. Mga brown shades lang siya. Ayun. So, perfect for errands or kapag may mga pupuntahan kayong mga ganap-ganap. And maganda rin to. This is Peach Pop. Kung gusto niyo ng mga pop of colors, ayun, may mga orange dito, may mga orangey glitter kayo dito.
Also the cream blush.
Yes.
Kasi siya, hindi lang siya for the cheeks. Pwede siya sa eyes.
So perfect talaga, no? Especially, I think it's travel-friendly, lalo na, no? And for small pouches, kasi 3-in-1 na siya. So, Blooms, ano pang iniintay nyo? Go ahead, add to cart and check out na!
Yes, let's go, Blooms!
Halo mamaya. So, babalik na ako dito sa aking mga magagandang kadyosahang girls dito. So far, girls, now that napakita na natin sa kanila, ano ba yung everyday simple makeup look na bagay na eyeshadow and 3-in-1 lippy, paano naman yung ating soft glam? Ano kaya yung bagay doon? Check nyo yan, girls.
I think the soft glam, super perfect yung may gloss na siya. Parang up to,
yes.
Actually, super love ko tong shade na to. This is the shade Irog. Kasi mukha siyang dark at first, pero pag nilagay mo na siya, 'di ba? Super nakaka-oomph ng, nakaka-oomph ng lip mo. And let's say super bright ng pink na suot mo, na-mute siya, and then at the same time, it makes it pop up more. Yeah, ano pa ba? Soft glam. Yeah, the A. Show the
Grabe, no?
color.
Talagang diverse
Yes.
and versatile yung shades ninyo, no? Perfect for any type of skin color,
And then for
no?
A, mukha siyang super bright. Pero when you blend it out, it's actually very subtle pop of color. Right? As you can see sa amin ni Ate Colette.
Yes.
Yes. And guys, wala talagang hinalo ibang blush.
Tingin nga. Sige nga, look at the camera. Isang nga ganun dyan. Tingin ka nga sa camera, dali. Yun, no?
Okay, tama na.
Okay, eto naman. So, anong marirecommend yun, lalo na sa skin tone ko kasi, di ba, medyo hilaw yung natin, kutis natin. So, ano kayo marirecommend nyo sa akin? Drunk blush? Really? Drunk blush? Ay, never ko pa na-experience yung freckles.
Ito, wow.
Very Korean.
Ito ba? Toot!
Yeah.
Kanina, nag-joke lang kayo. Ito pala yun. Toot! Oh my gosh, okay. So,
Kasi
Sa tindahan yung mga
bet na bet ko nga yung concept nyo. Ang galing.
Very lang talaga, natitinda. Very Pinoy.
It's related to our song, image. Kasi for us nga, like, Beanie isn't just a girl group. It's like also a brand that we want to expand. Yes, kasi hindi lang naman po kami yung nandito sa Beanie. Ang dami pa pong mga tao behind us. And yes.
Touch naman ako sa sinabi mo kahit hindi ako yung isa dun sa behind you. Okay, ayan. So, now that you have shared yung kung bakit toot, yung mga names ng yung 3-in-1 lippy that we have here, I wanna know naman, ano naman yung story ng eyeshadow ninyo? Meron ba yung story? Naku, nakaka-excite naman malaman.
Hindi natin ginagamit na name.
first and second name.
Mga first and second name.
Or third.
Ito si
Example, go. Ikaw.
Ito si Queen. Queen is Mariah Queen.
Oh,
si Aya.
okay.
And then
Okay.
Maria Nicolette. So, yung Maria hindi ko ginagamit. Yves, Si Maloy. Mary Loy Ives siya. Then si Gwenny,
Since
walang second name si Gwenny. So, nickname
na
na lang
lang niya.
namin.
Pero ginagamit pa rin yung nickname.
Yes, Gwenny.
Gwenny! Ayan.
Ito naman, Lindsay. Because Lindsay,
That's my first name.
Stacy,
Wow!
Aubrey.
Yeah.
Haba, no? Lucky kasi Ate Maloy's nickname is Lucky. Mamay
Okay.
kasi nickname ni Sheena. Cole kasi nickname ni Ate Colette. And then,
Okay.
ikaw, Steph.
Ito naman, Jana, Micaela Jana Lim. And then, ba't dalawa pala? Okay, this is Aubrey. Me again, my third name, Stacy Aubrey. And then, May. Sheena May. Ayun. And then si Joanna. Si Tintin. And speaking of Joanna, wala po si Jo today. Hello po sa mga Joanna stans. Nagpapagaling lang po si Jo, pero she will be okay soon. Ayun.
Yes, thank you so much. Ayan. So, ngayon, Blooms, alam nyo na sa ating eyeshadow palette pala, nandito yung mga names na hindi ginagamit ng ating Beanie Girls. Kaya naman, i-add to cart nyo na. Check out now! Diba? Okay. So, once again, we'd like to give our thanks to those of you guys who are sending us gifts. Pero hindi na po kailangan, okay? Just do and make some pre-order. Maraming salamat po sa aming Blooms and kindly stay tuned dahil marami pa tayong mga sorpresa sa gabing ito. Okay, mamaya maglalaro tayo, girls. Ha? Okay, ayan. Ngayon, meron pa ba tayo dyang produkto na gusto nyong i-showcase para sa ating Blooms right? Para naman alam nila kung ano yung bibili nila or ipi-pre-order.
Cloud Lash, actually, before namin i-release, trinay namin siya lahat. So, itong Cloud Lash, trinay namin ni Sheena sa training namin if magsasmudge ba siya. So far, hindi naman. So, maganda to.
So, it's smudge-proof for you. Okay. Ganda naman yan. O, ayan. Sige, try nga natin.
Sa'yo na lang.
Sa'yo na.
Mas maganda may mascara na ako eh.
So, batuhan tayo dito, girls, kung sino lalagyan. What if ako na lang? Ay!
Sige,
Joke lang to, no?
go mix.
Ay, magiging panda ako. Ay, naku. Uy, wow. Magiging panda ako. Pero sige nga, try nga natin. Hala. Sige nga, try nga natin. Sa ilalim ba?
Hindi naman siya mag-aano.
Sige nga. Parang, kinakabahan ka o natatawa ka sa mukha ko ngayon? O, tingnan natin mukha naman talagang ano.
Okay, wait.
Okay. O, diba? We. Siyempre, funny ako eh. Yung kalog na tayo dito, girl. Okay, ayan.
Okay, let's show the before.
Okay, so ito yung after sa kaliwa. Tapos sa kanan, wala. Okay,
Okay, go.
Blooms, wait lang. Okay, I'm back to work. Nakikita nyo ba yan? Ayan, o. So, ito yung with, we have, mahaba ba talaga? Ay, baka nag-smudge, Pinatawa niyo naman kasi, Blooms, ano lang to, need namin ng quick dry ba yun? Okay, so, mahaba nag-judge. Okay, so ito po yung wala, ito yung meron. Just for you guys to know, hindi po panda. Ang kalalabasan ninyo talaga. Tumawa lang po kasi talaga ako. Okay, so, thank you so much, Mika, for the experience. All throughout ng ating live stream.
Kaya siya siguro
Ay, humaba talaga. Guys, humaba talaga siya. Proven and tested. Tinan nyo.
Galing.
O, diba? Kaming apat dito, naglalagayan kami ng mascara dito, no? Buong live stream namin, panda. Ang ganda ng lashes nyo rin.
Trinay ko siya sa lower lash.
Ay, ang ganda. Guys, look, Blooms, tingnan nyo. So, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Close up, O, diba? Yung lower lash umaba talaga. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Add to cart na ang ating Cloud Lash. And check out! Ang ganda niya in fairness, lightweight siya. O, diba? Ayan, so, right now, girls, may katanungan naman ako sa inyo dyan. So, yung ating pagpaplan ng Beanie Cosmetics, if I'm not mistaken, gaano katagal nyo tong pinlano talaga? Matagal-tagal.
Before pa po kami mag-world tour, talagang nagpa-plan na po kami kung ano po yung mga names, ano yung mga pwedeng i-release, mga shades, ganyan.
Okay.
Oo, yun. Sobrang tagal na. Parang Ilang
Oh,
months na.
yeah.
Gusto ko yun yung basis natin.
Oh, basta pag nung red hair pa si Mix, ayun.
Tagal pa yun.
Okay, so matagal-tagal nga. Pero, Blooms, nakaka-inspire naman. Tinan mo. Sobrang bentang-benta ngayon ng Bini Cosmetics. Let's go! Diba? So far naman, i-check ko nga dito ang ating products. Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong iba't ibang shades, no? Ng 3-in-1 natin. So, kayo particularly, meron ba kayo ditong i-recommend nyo naman to those na hindi gaano hiyang or hindi sila mahilig sa too much blush on? Yung parang tama lang na shade for them. Lalo na nowadays, gusto nila yung parang simple look lang talaga, hindi yung heavy blush on eh. So, anong i-recommend nyo naman sa ating Blooms right here?
Actually, for me, perfect lahat ng colors. Kasi, hindi sila yung type na pigmented pag in-apply sa skin. You can blend. Yeah. And ayoko kasi yung pigment agad kasi mahirap nga tansyahin siya if beginner ka. So, alin gusto mo? Anong pinaka-favorite mo aside from A?
Itong tooth, maganda siya. Pero actually, maganda din yung isa eh. Itong wow.
Ayan, nakita natin sa
lahat
camera.
kasi siya maganda and blendable. So, kahit gusto mo nang hindi makapal, pwede
Ayan,
mo lang
oh,
siyang
para makita
i-blend.
ninyo, Blooms. Ayan.
Anong shade yan?
So, its texture daw is lightweight.
This is
no?
Shocks.
Shocks.
And then look, mukha talaga siyang dark at first.
Mhm.
Pero it's light when you blend it out. It's
Ang
like
ganda na.
very even yung pagka-blend.
And it's so easy to apply, no? Ito, Blooms, nako, kung gusto talaga ng blendable, lightweight, ito talaga, kunin nyo to, add to cart, check out na! Okay. And don't forget also, pwede kayo mag-pre-order right now. So kindly just look at your yellow basket. Nandun lahat ng links ng aming mga Bini Cosmetics dito and you won't talaga be missing out once you do that. This is only happening during our live show. At kaya naman, eto na. Okay. So, to my lovely girls, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa akin dito sa inyong throne. Ngayon, you guys may now kindly take your seats. Okay, there we have it. Okay, ayan. So ngayon naman, we will now be hopping onto the exciting part. Pero ihatid ko muna kayo dito. Ayan, maraming salamat. Okay? So ngayon naman, i-check naman